Hello friends, in this video I'll explain you how we can apply paired sample t-test in Excel. For that I have taken here the sample of 10 respondents. Here you can see in Excel file the data of 10 respondents is given. This is the data of weight of the respondents before dieting and after dieting. So now with the help of this we can apply paired sample t-test. So suppose my hypothesis is there is no significant difference in mean weight before dieting and after dieting. In other words, I can say dieting is ineffective. Alternatively, I can say there is a significant difference in mean weight before dieting and after dieting. Or I can say dieting is effective. So for such kind of hypothesis, we can apply paired sample t-test. So here we have data. Now how we can apply this paired sample t-test? For that we need to go to the data menu. Here we need to select data analysis. And when we will select data analysis box will appear in front of us. So here we need to select t-test paired to sample for means. And then we need to press OK. So here the t-test dialog box will appear in front of us. In the first section, we need to enter the ranges of our two variables. So our first variable is weight before dieting. So this is the first range, and the second range is weight after dieting. Now the hypothesized mean difference. So I'm assuming there is no significant difference. That is why I'm putting here 0. Alpha level is 0.05, that is 5%. So I'm okay with 5% because I want to test my hypothesis at 5% level of significance. Now for the output, options are by default option is new worksheet. So means my output will be generated in the new worksheet, but I want to generate my output in the same worksheet. For that I need to select here output range. And then I need to click in this box and then press any vacant cell here. So here you can see D4 is the cell in which the output will be generated. And after that I need to press OK. Once I will press OK, the Excel will generate the output. So here in this we can see the mean for both the groups is given here. This is the variance. These are the number of observations in both the groups. This is the Pearson's correlation between these two groups, and this is the degree of freedom. Now T statistic value is 4.59, and this is the P and the T value, T tabulated value or the T critical value at the for the one tail, and these are the P value and the T tabulated value for two tail. So as my alternative hypothesis is indicating, I am applying here the two-tailed test because I am stating there is a significant difference in mean weight before dieting and after dieting. Means I am not mentioning whether the weight is increased after dieting or decreased after dieting. So that is why I am applying two-tailed test here. So that is why I can report this T value. So how I can interpret this result? So if T calculated is greater than T tabulated or T critical value. So in that case, we need to reject H0. So we can write here, do not accept H0. Similarly, on the basis of P value also we can interpret the results. So here our P value is less than 0.05. So this is also indicating the same thing, that we are not going to accept null hypothesis. So that means we are concluding that there is a significant difference in the mean weight before dieting and after dieting, or I can say that dieting is effective. So friends, this way we can apply paired sample t-test in Excel. I hope this video will help you to understand the process and the interpretation of the paired sample t-test. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, Dr. Chanchal Jain. Also, please like, share and comment on my videos. Thank you. Happy learning to all.